Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 7/19 of 2020. The stock was Square, SQ. The date was on Monday, the 13th. This is based on a 60-minute retest and failure pattern, entry on a 1-minute DTS sell setup, be the tail type entry. The management simple, reward to risk 2.1 to 1. As usual, before we look at this chart, free stuff this week. Unfortunately, nothing. There was originally on the calendar, there was something for Wednesday, but it was pushed back to next Wednesday. So there'll be nothing this week. You will have a couple things coming up next week. And as always, you can check that DTS calendar on the website, or you can see the address right there. This is the daily chart of SQ. This is going to be a short on this particular day. I'm very strict on rules and when to be long and short, and this is a very, very valid short. I'm not shorting the daily chart. I'm not a swing trade on this one. The daily chart is simply not only justified the short, it actually helped promote it. This is what it looked like the day before the trade, and we were gapping up on that particular morning. So we gapped up, and then afterwards we ran up a little bit and then fell for the rest of the day, which was the expectation. You get a little better view of what's going on in the 60-minute chart. Back on the daily, I want you to notice the acceleration that happened through here. You're in this beautiful trend. This is a stock we've had on the screen like for 2 months as just a go-to strong stock. But then a wide bar and it accelerates, and that's going to be the top for a while. So on an intraday pattern, you come in here, you see on this day that it's going to gap up. It's going to run up into this area. I didn't know it would run up into that area, but I saw it gapping up, put it on the list, and sure enough, it gapped up into that morning reversal time. You can see that topping tail right there popped right into that area, and that was the short. You can see a little better detail on the 5-minute chart. This is shorted at about 9:45 in the morning, so it's that third to fourth bar in there. So we run up, and right in there was a short under 132.00 coming off those little double topping tails up in there. Stop 133.51. First target, you can see everything here on the 5-minute chart. First target, you'll see on the next chart a little better view, but it was a wide range bar into the low of the day, a definite target 1. Target 2 was a nice job. We had a pretty good drop right into the first support area. And then target 3, I'm embarrassed to show you, I kind of blew this one. I only got that, and I left, about a third of the trade on the table. I normally would be gone in the afternoon. We trade the morning, I stop in to take a look at lunch to see what's going on, and then I let my trades go. If they're open, the back half, back third, whatever it is. This day I happened to be stuck in the office doing something I knew I would be, and because of that, I wasn't able to walk away. I would have loved to have come back in at 3:30 and taken that huge move. That ended up being like a 9 risk unit move down to the bottom. Can't complain, great trade, but because I was sitting there, I peeled off that last third a little bit sooner than I would have liked to. 1-minute chart showing a little better detail. Entry right in there after the retest, kind of a 1-minute presumed sell setup, and then the retest of it right in that area, the entry. And first target, you can see, was a very sensible first target, wide range bar into the low of the day. Targets 2 and 3, of course, you can't see on the 1-minute chart because they happened around noon and around 1:20, 1:30. So they're off the chart to the right there. Great little trade, square short, Monday morning. This is not the best trade of the week, but my best trade was something I don't even want to show you because it's not something I want to promote. It was a little biotech stock long. I do those about once a month. I happened to find one that worked well on Thursday or Friday. And it was a nice trade, but just kind of not the thing I want to teach people to do because they're lower odds type of setups, and people are naturally drawn to them as it is. If you like this type of trading style, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Just head over to the website. You'll figure it out. If you can't figure it out, you probably shouldn't be there. This is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.